Hayley's journey to making $1 in just 6 months is a story of smart strategy, effective partnerships, and leveraging the power of dropshipping. Hayley began her venture by sourcing products from Alibaba, researching trending items with low shipping costs and high profit margins. Instead of larger e-commerce platforms, she chose Fezamarket, which offered lower fees and access to emerging African markets. With dropshipping, Hayley partnered with suppliers to have products shipped directly, reducing overhead costs and allowing for quick scaling. Hayley built a trustworthy brand, invested in professional photos, optimized listings, and prioritized customer service. She implemented smart marketing strategies like social media ads and influencer partnerships, targeting the right audience effectively. By analyzing data, she continuously optimized her campaigns and reinvested profits to scale operations, reaching $1 in 6 months. Hayley's success is due to choosing the right platforms, consistent marketing, and leveraging dropshipping.